Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing the RK M75. I've always wanted to unbox this keyboard because from what I could see, I like it. And this is a brown switches keyboard. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started with this. I'm excited. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Some cool stuff. Got a keycap remover and switch remover, I think it is. Got USB-C cable if I want to go wired. Got some spare keycaps. It's awesome. Just set those to the side. This is what we've been looking for. Now I've got a manual with it. And now let's remove the cover. Oh wow. I really like that. Oh yeah, that has a rich feel to it. Let's turn it on. Now it is set. See if I can change it to that. Oh wow, that RGB is awesome. Hang on, my camera's blurry. Wow, I like that. That is awesome. It includes a USB dongle for the 2.4G. I actually really like that. It's awesome. This keyboard only cost me 104 Australian dollars on Amazon on sale, and yeah, that sound, wow. Alright, let's go straight back to my face for the review. Alright, that concludes us to the review of the RK M75. Now, I actually haven't gone and plugged this into my computer yet, but from what I can feel, I like it. Brown switch, it's not bad. I've got a red switch keyboard, which is actually above me, and it's a HyperX Alloy Origins keyboard. It's wired. So, not a huge fan. I like wireless keyboards. I can use Bluetooth, I can use wired on this thing, I can charge it up. According to what I've heard, you can put USB inputs into it, so you can actually like plug in a mouse and it'll be now a wireless mouse. So, overall, 10 out of 10 to me, especially for the price. That finishes our video for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Thought that was the end of the video. Well, it's not. Go to my website sparkulous.net if you want a Discord bot that will empower your Discord server. We have 29,000 users and 78 servers currently using this bot. This bot is very reliable, and if we ever have issues, we update it right away upon request. Make sure to go to this website to invite the Discord bot. It would be deeply appreciated. Now that is the end of the video. See you in the next one.